Hello everyone. Let's go shopping before the storm happens. We're on our way into Kohls. I get my hat on and we will be out of here. I'll turn the camera around in a moment. See you in the store. Hi you guys. Let's go shopping in Kohls for last minute Christmas shopping. I will see you when I get in the store. Okay. Hi you guys. We're in Kohls. This is what they have left. It is what? It is Thursday. The Thursday before Christmas. And this is what they have available in the store. So, if you need to get some things, this is what's going on, you guys. You can have some sweatpants, $21.99. Sweat jackets. I guess everything's on sale. You can get you an outfit. That would be like $44. Let's see what else. We're gonna go over here. There's jewelry left for you guys. If you want to get some jewelry gifts, it seems like they have a sale of this special price, $21.99. It looks like it's everywhere in the store. So if you wanted to get some jewelry or something like that, yes, there's some kind of sale going on. I didn't know, I just decided to stop here. But I see a lot of $21.99 sale deals. See, everywhere. A lot of $21.99 sale deals going on. So if you wanted to get a gift, there's a lot of jewelry left. Other ones, they're a little better jewelry, 40% off. So this is what's left out here. Days before Christmas. So you need to get some fragrance sets. They have all types left. And those are $12.50 to $104, depending on what you get. Let's see what you get for this. This would be, they don't have the price on it, so unfortunately, I can't tell you which one is $12.50 or which one is $104. That's a long range, huh? $12.50 to $104, long range. So here's some men's stuff. This is more like body wash. It's not like fragrance. That's what they have left. Now we're getting into some empty shelves over here. If you needed to get some cologne, here's the fragrance sets right here for guys. Right here. So they have a lot of sales going on and some things left. Okay. We're still in the, these are not really gifts, I don't think. I mean, anything could be a gift, but I wouldn't consider that a gift. Okay, look at all the empty shelves are right here. Empty shelves, empty shelves. And you know, it's almost Christmas, so it is what it is. There's some clearance items right here for $4.99. If you just want to get yourself some lotion or something like that, $4.99. So we're going to be leaving the jewelry department. Whole bunch of 9 West. 9 West is on sale for 40% off. Real nice things. So if you want to watch, everybody likes watches. There's some watches left from $24.99 to $74.99. And here we go, the particulars. Here's the particulars. If you're looking for a watch for a gift, these are 20% off. If you're looking for a watch. So you guys, I'm gonna talk to you later because like the weather's about to change and I'm out of here. Merry Christmas.